Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from anywhere you are in the world. Welcome to UC Daily Report, where we are featuring the latest updates on national and international news, politics, sports, music, lifestyle, celebrity news, entertainments, and more. So, we are giving you the breaking news of today. Thanks for your attention. Breaking news. Have you seen the new Naira notes? The federal government of Nigeria has finally unveiled the new Naira Notes Design after much anticipation. Today in Abuja, President Muhammadu Buhari unveiled the redesigned 1000 Naira, 500 Naira, and 200 Naira denominations of the new Naira notes at the FEC meeting. The new style is an identical copy of the previous 10 Naira, 20 Naira, and 50 Naira notes. What opinions do you have on the new Naira notes? Share your thoughts. Without being said, we have come to the end of the video, so don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for your concern.